Unim me can't deal with Munti. China for Article 2 of their environmental rules. So, say environmental production. In fact, Mamika Bim, China for environmental protection law of the People's Republic of China 2014 revision effective. Just say woman shall Article 1, woman say the law is developed for the purposes of protecting and improving environment, preventing and controlling pollution and other public nuisances, safeguarding public health, promoting ecological civilization, and enhancing sustainable economic and social development. Article 2, as I am the palm, or say, for the purposes of this law, environment means, in China, environment means the entirety of natural elements and artificial transformed natural elements that affect the survival and development of human beings, including but not limited to air, water, seas, land, minerals, forest, grassland, wasteland, wildlife, natural and cultural relics, nature reserves, scenic spots, historical sites, and urban and rural areas. Article 2 of China for no. Omabo be say untimi nya wadwen say o say no. Enti me ka Ghana de ne say China for nim say o say bibia ofra bibi ecological civilization. Enti Ghana ha say we police, we politician, we ohene, we journalist, we obia, we sofo. Na we Galamsey a wajimi unim nyansa. Wabodam wabodam because we krasini sa ana China for percent ecological civilization we nibi enti obi a woye Galamsey say nsuo no China for me hu say nkrase for enti wa we krasini bia na ye Galamsey wa wabodam a unim nyansa no wona ye Galamsey enti ecological civilization won ti ase enti ye rajo mahama me say obi a na oye Galamsey dadada unim wo mo ma BNI NIB ne COP Kofi Boachi mun take over. Take action. Now watch, you are too diplomatic. Watch, take action. Because ecological civilization no for na say no. So don't allow this uncivilized manner to continue. Arrest them. Take action. You have the power. Me say, wa we Galamsey bia ne hu se say we kurasini. Nti kurase fo nkwa na Galamsey. Na wie.
Nhyira